So I just got this new thing here. This thing. So if you see the movies or something, then you'll know what this is for. This is like a cut and action thing. It's quite cool. And yeah, it's actually really cool. I've also got, of course, some chalk. And you can actually write everything on here. My friend Alex has, you know, the other guy from my videos. Just gonna put those here. Oh, they've all broken into different pieces. Great. It comes in this wrapper as well. This is it. Yeah, just throw it over there. So you can pretty much write anything on here. So you can write the date. Today is, I'm guessing, the 17th. So we're gonna write that here. The 17th of the 6th. Okay, that's terrible. How do I get this stuff off now? Oh yeah, you can just do that. I'm just gonna say the 17th. That's the date. Okay. And the scene is, there's no scene really. And we're going to say take one, because this is our first one. Camera full, just full. So the director, no, I guess me, so, Boo Curly, fudge. I'm not good for writing chalk, hold on. A-K-E-R-L-Y. Right, fudge. Not going so well. Yeah, there we go. Pooker Lady. P is a bit messed up. Oh, forget about that now. And yeah, and it's from Hollywood. Production. I don't know. So that's pretty much it. And then we can do yeah. Cool. Alright, we're gonna put all this stuff back into the here right now. Shove it all in there, I don't care. My hands have got all choky, as you can see here. Got a little white in the tips. And this little itty bitty piece left. Right then. It's cool. And yeah, this is quite cool. They also have this like type of mode. They break out this and go action, take 4 in Fortnite. I think they have that in there as well. Cool. We're just gonna keep that safe over here, right there, because like that's gonna be good for videos. Also, guys, if you like the new series I'm doing, the Tractor movie and Jurassic City, I hope you've seen the first episode of that, the robbery prequel. Second episode coming soon. But yeah, we are gonna be releasing episode 3 next week of not Jurassic City. We're gonna be releasing episode 3 of the Tractor movie on the next weekend. So stay in tune for that. But anyway, guys, hope you had a great day, and I hope to see you in the next video. So anyway, guys, peace.